Welcome to the lecture series of Maths Genius, and today we will be focusing on reading comprehension. Yes, because most of the students ask me in the comments and etc. that please focus more on the reading comprehension passages. So here we are. Okay. In their study of weather offering a guide, first of all, first read the question, the primary purpose. So this question is about main idea of the passage, right? So in their study of whether offering a guarantee or service, study, right? Study is mainly for the supporting ideas. Okay. So service quality will encourage customers to visit a particular restaurant. Tuki or Talaga have found that the affect with an E, what it is a confusing word, right? Why? Because we did that, right? Affect with an A and affect with an E. So this one is with for the result, this one is for influence. Okay. Have found that the effect of such prices is mixed. For higher price restaurants, there is some evidence that offering a guarantee increases the likelihood of the customer selection. This is one point. Probably reflecting the greater financial commitment involved in choosing expensive for lower price, where the price is less, where one expects less assiduous service. Good vocabulary word. Assiduous service, right? Okay, so assiduous means showing great care. Okay, so where one expects less assiduous means showing less care. Tuki and Talaga found that a guarantee could actually have a negative effect. A potential customer might think that a restaurant offering a guarantee is worried about its service. Moreover, connective. Since customers understand restaurant's product and know what to anticipate in terms of service, they are empowered to question its quality. This is not generally true in the case of skilled activities such as electrical work, where consequently a guarantee might have greater customer appeal. So this is a different kind of service, right? Guarantee means nothing. For restaurants, generally the main benefit, again emphasis, connective, of a service guarantee probably lies not so much in the customer appeal as in managing and motivating staff. Staff members would know what service standards are expected of them and also know the success of the business relies on adhering to those standards. Additionally, connective, conjunction, right? Transition. Guarantees provide some basis for defining the skills needed for successful service in areas traditionally regarded as unskilled, such as waiting tables. Now coming to this, the primary purpose of the passage is to question the results of a study that examined the effect of a quality service guarantee in the restaurant, discuss potential advantages and disadvantages of quality service quality guarantees in the restaurant in the industry. This seems to be correct. Next, examine the conventional wisdom regarding the effect of service. No. Argue that only certain will benefit from the implementation. No. Consider that the impact that service guarantees can have on service by providing a restaurant. No. Question the result of a study that examined the effect of this. No, the study wasn't questioned. Only the results were like what are the potential advantages and disadvantages of service quality guarantees, right? There are main benefits are given, then these are the main benefits. If you underline the transitions, you would be able to this customer selection. So the correct answer is B. I hope you guys have understood this. Now coming to this question, it can be inferred. The wording is clearly showing that this is an inference question. Would agree that the author of the passage would agree with which of the following statements about the appeal of the service guarantees to customers. First thing, such guarantees are likely somewhat more appealing to customers than other businesses. You know that it was against almost it has a negative impact overall, right? Such guarantees are likely to be more appealing to customers who know what to anticipate in terms of service. Not at all, not appealing. Such guarantees are likely to have less appeal, yes, in situations where customers are knowledgeable about a business product or service. This seems to be correct. Next, in situations where a high level of financial commitment is involved, a service guarantee is not likely to be appealing. It was the other way around, I think so. Yes, it was mentioned over here, right? Financial guarantee. Next, in situations where customers expect a high level of customer service, a service guarantee is likely to maintain customers that a business is worried about its services. No, it's not it's the opposite. And where it was mentioned? It was mentioned about electrical works. Over here it was mentioned electrical work. Yes, I have underlined this as well. So first of all, you should be able to read it like this, that you are understanding each and word of the passage. Not understanding each and word, at least you have the essence of the passage, right? At least you have the essence. Even if you don't understand this word, for example, if you are not familiar with the word assiduous, but you are going, one expects less assiduous service, so means less great service, less better service, right? Okay. Now, so which one seems to be correct? Okay, C. Such guarantees like less appeal in situation where customers are knowledgeable about a business, product or service. Now coming to the next question. This question says that according to the passage, this Toki and Talgo found that the services when offered by lower price restaurants can have which of the following effects. So, which of the following results can be there? So now this is what? These are the supporting details. This question deals with supporting details. Because it says that when offered by lower price restaurants can have which of the following effects. So now where was the lower price thing mentioned? It was mentioned something over here. For a high price, then there was something about lower price. Yeah, for lower price restaurants where one expects less service, Turkey and Telago found that a guarantee can actually have a negative effect. A potential customer might think that the restaurant offering a guarantee is worried about its service. Now coming to over here, which are the following effects? Customers developing an unreasonably high. No, customers avoiding service because they fear that service may not be fully honored. Not like this. Customers interpreting a service guarantee as a sign that a manager is not confident about the quality about service. This seems to be right. Next, as becoming concerned that service will not be assiduous enough to satisfy customers. No, the restaurant is not concerned. The customer is concerned. Right? This is a trick. This is a trick that has been given. This is a trick, right? Because the restaurant is not concerned that its service will not be assiduous enough, but it's actually what? The customer is concerned. Next, the restaurant becoming concerned that the customer will be more emboldened to the question of the quality of the service that they receive. No, it is not. Why the restaurant is offering a guarantee? They are offering a guarantee so that more customers should come. That's their only primary goal. But this is not happening. So which one seems to be correct? Option C seems to be the correct one. Interpreting that service guarantee as a sign is not confident about the quality of its service. Now, what we learn from this passage? We learn couple of things. Firstly, look for transitions. When you are reading, look for transitions, look for study, look for conjunctions, and underline the key points, right? So if you have gone through my previous exercises, right, so you would be able to decipher this easily. Like again, central idea of the passage. You have to look for the central idea, then you have to look for supporting ideas and look for the transition and the keywords. Hope you guys have understood this part, and you will also implement this when you are answering questions and reading comprehension passages in the past papers or in the exams, in the CSS and other exams, in the GRE and other exams as well, GMAT as well. This is the end of the session.